You know me, I dey like a good thing. Anything to make my body calm down.
But
like
that
this.
picture of heavy duty, as I take describe it, you like it?
Mayowa.
You like it,
You know, as a Yoruba man, when they play like this, Yoruba, we they like to make it the hall. You understand me now? Because we they like plenty to make it the. When you see the asana, you understand me now? So that is it. So it's a natural duty something. You understand? Because when the Arsenal they okay. For me personally, I don't mind maybe the Manchester. You understand? One of the above you have to do.
So
okay.
you like United Manchester?
I like every
and conjured Arsenal.
I like Yimbao. I like
you're a general football fan.
You just like everything, no
general football fan.
Because I they give you what you require. You ask me question.
You don't be making me to be jealous. Be jealous.
You are jealousy for what?
You don't bring out the Yoruba girl in me, please.
Maya, wait. Shebi you self you get the huh?
You be making me to be jealous. Be coming on national TV, be saying you are like all the girls. What's your problem? Am I not girl enough for you?
You are no. You girl enough for me.
Let me know.
Wait, do. Let
me know.
You say girl enough for me. No, you are woman enough for me. Kolo chair. What's wrong to you?
I don't think I'm like that. Yes.
You are woman enough. You are not a kekere.
I'm a woman enough for you.
So, but you need to go back to your Igbo something, no?
Okay.
Because you don't forget say Otilo off key.
Me way.
Weekend you have reached.
Yes, weekend you have reached. Today you have the Friday.
Jeez.
We are going to turn up. We are going to turn up. Turn up. Today is Friday.
Jeez.
We want to give you advice. Ogbisco. Ogbisco lala.
Please,
Tell it.
this thing where I want to talk like this now, I take God back all of you, please. He get one boy where hug me yesterday. But man, no, he can't hug me yesterday. Me, I spray perfume for body. The boy he carry body odor, he can't jam me. When the boy he hug me finish, he come out. The body odor, you follow me, they waka for road. It's not good for the environment. Please, not the cause air pollution for us. Please, not the cause. So this weekend, everybody, please make sure say you take care of your personal hygiene. Understand? For all the men that wait there this weekend, go back all the beer wait there for your armpit. You understand me? Go back all the beer wait there for your armpit, clean and well. Some people beer for armpit, if you see them, be like that. So they put on for the people rollers. So please make everybody just make sure say this weekend you take care of personal hygiene. If your mouth is smell, make sure say you buy plenty things to spray your mouth to dey okay for this weekend. For the women who come.
Me where I be girl, I will tell you my own as a girl.
Jace.
I beg. If you are a girl, you watch here. You watch here. You like the mates. And then conjunction place.
Please.
You watch it very well.
Transformer. The transformer.
Because if conjunction place have a problem, we emut your body everywhere.
Hi.
If a conjunction plays a problem, it will emit everywhere. Your hand, your nose, your mouth, your leg, you wash everywhere.
Yeah.
If possible, buy that play perfume. Perfume it.
No wonder some auntie go enter some place, the whole room go change.
If auntie will enter your toilet, he wants to urinate.
Hi.
Auntie go enter the toilet, want to urinate. When they reach there.
Hey. So we dey take God back everybody, please. For all the men, you say we buy perfume. Some people body odor. It go come out Holy Spirit for your body. So please, this weekend, make sure say you take care of yourself very, very well.
Yes, so. And then follow us on top Twitter at Wazobia Padi Padi. You feel follow us too on top Instagram. We did there for you live and direct. Me, my holistic Mayowa, and my guy. Meanwhile, we get word for the day for now.
The word for the day is what we say we go compile everything for the full week. Person will go fit form sentence with all the word we will do from Monday go reach Thursday. We go see the person.
Better thing on Monday. Better thing. So no word for the day for today.
No word for today.
Now so it be. So therefore, thank you very much.
Yes.
Ogbolo, you're my guy.
Ogbolo,
you're my guy. You know, say your swagger, you get it.